drift right now. Pretty much could probably cover a car with this drift. Oh, fumble. Boots are going in. Yeah, we're pretty much going to be blocked in. I don't know for how long. This drift right here, there was a fire hydrant right there. That wire's coming out. Cars covered right there. Going up one street. See how high these are. Those are just in the backyard. It's one snow drift. Goes down about street level. About halfway up a car. Over there. Pretty much covers the car. Half of a good truck. Pretty bad.